Vertical gardens have never been more popular, and I've just finished putting this one together on the wall here in the courtyard at the Standard Bar in Perth for some living art. It's an easy to install kit, and this is how I did it. Once you've decided on the position of the green wall, install the brackets as per the instructions. There's a handy template to use for setting out the drill holes. The green wall plate then slides onto the bracket and you're in business. Now the really good fun part can begin planting out all the pots, and it's a really easy system because all the pots come off the wall and you can do all your planting and your work at the bench or the table, and then when you're done, mount them back on the wall. And that's really handy too for any repotting or maintenance you need to do later. The potting mix I'm using has a coir peat base, excellent for water holding capacity and rot resistance. Remember, normal potting mixes break down quite quickly and you will need to replace them or make your own with coir peat, vermiculite, scoria and the like. You can really get the creative juices flowing with your plant selection. Just make sure that the species suit the environment. Here we've got morning shade, but lots of afternoon sun, so your shade-loving foliage plants won't work. I've gone for a mix of colour, flowers, and toughness, a bit like myself. I've got a mix of ground covers, strappy leaf plants, and succulents. The idea is, as they grow, they will cover the pots and wall plate and become a complete wall of foliage, flowers, and colour, and quite possibly one of the finest green walls in the country. The green wall comes with a clever inbuilt watering system with all the panels being connected, and there's an adjustable dripper over every pot, and your water supply can be plugged in at the bottom here or on the sides. And for best results and for the most efficient, reliable watering, it's best to connect the whole thing to an automatic tap timer for frequent yet short waterings. Have a look at that. It's living art. These green walls are designed to be added to and connected together to create as large a wall as you like for maximum wow factor.